Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today Bianca and I will be unboxing the Ariel chibis. Is that what it's called? Ariel dress blind box. So as per usual, Bianca will get 4 and I will get 4.
Okay. So are you trying to complete this collection?
Yes.
Or
I want to complete the collection because I love all of them, but mostly want this one.
That one's pretty.
Yeah, I really like this one right here. I think that's super sweet.
And I like this one. Okay. Let's start with the video. Okay, let's see what we start out with. Oh wow, that was actually hard to open. Okay, there we go. And oh,
Right off the bat. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at the
it has
glitter.
sparkles on it. That's so cool.
I really like that one.
And they're pretty decent
Dang,
size.
I can't believe
too.
right off the bat we got the one I wanted. Okay, next box.
What do you think it is?
We'll see.
Gonna fill the bag.
You're not gonna take a guess?
All right, let's see. What is it? Oh. Did we just get the same one?
No way.
Our first dupe. Sheesh.
Yeah.
Your turn, Bianca.
Oh, this is different. Oh, is
Oh,
this
that's the wedding dress. Dang. That's cute. I like that.
And she's blowing a kiss.
Hmm.
Cute.
What? Another one? I'm like opening them right after you open.
Yeah.
Wow.
You're pretty much just like
Get
copying
it?
me
Yep.
at this point.
I'm copying you now. What's going on over here?
Okay, so hopefully this one's a different one then. Oh, I see a different color. Yay!
Oh, that one's
this
really
is the
nice.
one.
I like that one.
It's so pretty. I did not drop
After you
it.
drop it, I think that's like the second time you've dropped something in a video. Remember when you dropped the board?
Yeah, I remember when I dropped like the whole board. Yes, I do remember that. I was scared for my life.
You get so excited you start dropping things?
Yes.
Alright. Let's see. We have 3. We just need 3 more. Did I just jinx us? Let's find out. This is new.
Well,
this is new. Wait, no, it's not new. Wait,
no, I think
yes
it is. Just turn it around already.
Suspense is killing me. It's not.
Oh.
Wow.
You're literally burying it.
You're copying every single one that I open.
All right,
Okay.
Bianca's last box. Let's see if we're just gonna get 2 of everything today.
We'll see. Oh, this is the
Rags one.
Yeah.
I like that one.
Let's see if yours is gonna be
Probably.
this one.
Okay, so my last box. Let's see what it opens. I'm really hoping for this one. These are the only 2 we need. let's see if I get lucky enough to get her in the dress. This is a really cute collection. I like these. These ones are small. I think I got the same one you did. Wow, Bianca. I literally think it's the same one. It is! What in the world? This is the weirdest unboxing we've had, guys. How is it that everyone that's Bianca has opened, I've gotten the same one? And Bianca's the only one that got to experience new pins. I am salty right now. So salty, guys. But all in all, good pull, even though we got 2 of each. These are really cute. I think my original favorite was gonna be this one, but this one, now seeing this one, I like this one a lot. What about you, Bianca?
This one's also my favorite. I just really like the blue dress though. That's like why I chose that one to begin with. And turns out it's still the best one.
Yeah, I like it.
I really like the banana leaf looking one right here.
It's not a banana leaf. I think it's in the
It's when she
no, it's in the movie for when she
first
gets
became.
no, it's like a tarp off the beach.
Yeah.
Remember when the seagull, he like clothes her because she's naked?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then that's how he's like tries to make it seem like he's like designing a dress for her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you remember now.
A long time.
Yeah. These are a good pull. And then we got dupes. So 4 to trade. So if any of you guys are interested, we would like to trade for these 2. So let us know, guys. Thanks for watching.